Hi, 7th graders. It's Mr. Anabdi. Here's what we did in class today, October 17th, and tomorrow, October 18th. So you did your warm-up, returned your tests. A day, B day, you already got yours. We reviewed and summarized the last class, showed you a Pangea animation, and you set up your notebooks to organize information about the evidence for continental drift. So if you had your test back, we checked in with your progress from last class. And last time we did the Pangea activity on page 10. The question was, what is Pangea and how do we know it existed? And you were working on assembling your Pangea puzzle and answering 5 questions. That was the last class. So this class we reviewed that. Some of you finished up your questions and we went over the answers. After that, we set up your notebook for today, which was the Drifting Continents reading. Your question today was, what was Wegener's evidence for continental drift? So it was a nice theory, but as a student, you'll be expected to describe and explain all of the different parts of evidence that supported the theory of continental drift. So to help you organize that information, you could choose today a template like this one, or you could have made your own setup for your notebook and use Cornell notes or something else. As long as you had Wegener's hypothesis, fossil evidence, landform evidence, climate evidence, and finally why his theory was rejected. So as long as you had all of that in your notes, you did not need a template, but a lot of you chose to use it. And for the information, we used either the textbook from class or this Continental Drift online reading. And most of the information was in the online version. It's not the same as the textbook, it's just a different look at the same concept. So you chose the reading and you chose how to organize your notes today. And I think when you left off, most of you were done with the notes. You did have an Ed Puzzle assignment tonight. It's called Continental Drift Ed Puzzle. It's 2 minutes and 39 seconds of your time, plus 1 question that you'll type an answer to. And that's due next class. So B-Day, I have a sub tomorrow. Be good for the early release. Enjoy your MEA break, everybody. And I'll see you next week. Bye.